Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these three 10-cup water filter pitchers. On the left I've got the ZeroWater, in the middle I've got the Brita, and on the right I've got the Amazon Basics. So the ZeroWater comes with this TDS tester. This is called the Total Dissolved Solids Tester. I'll be using this to check the water after it's been filtered in each one of these. Now if the water's been filtered, it should read 000. If it's higher than 6, that's when ZeroWater says you should change the water filter. Now the Brita and the Amazon Basics, they just want you to change it after 40 gallons or about 2 months of usage. Unless you've got the Brita extended water filter, which you can go 6 months on it. Okay, so let's pour some out of the pitcher with the ZeroWater. Pours nice. The Brita probably pours the nicest. And then the Amazon Basics. It also pours nice. Okay, so first let's check my tap water. So this is the water out of my faucet. It doesn't smell or taste like chlorine. I thought I had pretty good water. Turn it on. Let's put it in there. So it says that water is at 189. 189, okay. Now let's try the ZeroWater. The same water has been filtered through the ZeroWater. It shows a 0. Now let's try the Brita. It's a little better, 170. 170. Let's go to the Amazon Basics. 168. So the Amazon Basics is a little bit better, 168. Okay, so let's take a look at the filters on each one of these, and then I'm going to pour water in and see how long it takes to filter. So on the Amazon one, we're going to take the lid off. Here's what the filter looks like. Now with the Amazon and the Brita, you have to run water through that filter, and you have to dump out 2 or 3 pitchers of water because there's carbon dust inside there. Then you can start using the water. Over here on the ZeroWater, you do not have to do any rinsing. The filter comes ready to use. Now it screws in from the bottom here. You gotta make sure you gotta have that O-ring on. But it comes with a cap on it. They've already flushed it with water. You take the cap off. There may be a little condensation on the stop here. That's fine. This filter is ready to use. ZeroWater does call that like a 5-stage filter. So you can see it is quite a bit bigger. And the Brita is the same size as this one. Okay, so let's start a stopwatch. Let's put water in all of these. Let's put water here. You just kind of get an idea of how quick it takes to run water through the filter system. So here you got to put the water up in the chamber. It's going to filter down through the filter. Now this one does take just a little bit and then it starts flowing out. So you can see the Amazon Basics, it's running through the fastest. It did have a little bit of a head start, the Brita, and then the ZeroWater is not super far behind, but it is a little bit behind. So with that higher filtration, it does filter a lot more. It does take a little more time to actually do the filtering. So in the lid of the filter, there is a place for the TDS tester. That's how you know when it's time to change the filter. So you're going to be checking your water every so often, and when you have a reading of higher than 6, it's time to change that filter. The Amazon Basics, it's got this little thing that's got some bars. After every 15 days, a bar goes away. So after 2 months, that's how you kind of know it's time to change. The Brita's got a sticker on the side to let you know. So the Amazon's done, the Brita's about done, and the ZeroWater, it's got a little ways to go yet, but it is filtering. It just takes a lot longer. Okay, so the Brita and the Amazon are done. At this rate, the ZeroWater is going to take almost twice as long to kind of filter that initial batch of water. The ZeroWater pitcher is a little bit bigger, but it does have this handy little spout. So if you put it in the refrigerator on a shelf, you can dispense your water with this little spout, which works really nice. Again, 3 minutes. So sometimes height can be a consideration. So the ZeroWater is right at 11 inches. The Brita is at 10. And this one, the Amazon's right about 10 1/4, 10 1/2. Now, I've tasted the water at all three of them. I can't tell the taste difference or the smell, but again, I thought I had pretty good tap water. So just past the 5-minute mark, going on 6 minutes, the ZeroWater does have a little bit of water to go. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.